Prepare your phone, camera and power supply. Power up the camera. Connect the network cable. Connect router. The power network cable is connected successfully. Press the camera reset button for 3 to 5 seconds.
Welcome to use.
Download the CameraCam Pro app. Open the CameraCam Pro app. Register and log in. Enter main page. Click the +, in the upper right corner. Click Add Device. Click Wi-Fi camera. Click Search in Alien. Please confirm before searching. Click to search in Network. Click to add. Enter camera name. Click Finish. The camera is connected successfully.